Hey, my creators, digital products to sell online are in high demand right now. So, if you're looking for great digital products to sell, I am so excited to tell you about my plug and play Afrocentric printable wall art templates. This specific niche is experiencing a major sales surge across global e commerce platforms like Etsy and Shopify. This growth is heavily driven by a massive rise in demand for culturally rich, empowering, and personalized home decor. By jumping into this market, sellers are successfully capitalizing on the $5.8 billion and growing global digital wall art market. It is expanding rapidly as Gen Z and millennial buyers actively look for affordable, high identity ways to celebrate representation in their homes. So, are you ready? Let's go.
I keep it real, simple, and easy to follow. No fluff, just real stuff. That's the motto. Take your time, step by step. Let it flow. You already got it in you, now you know. Are you ready? Let's go, let's go.
I told you this is going to be so easy, unbelievably easy. You will love this. So when you open a template, you are going to have all of these images except page one. Page one is an image that I created using these elements. And if you scroll down, you will see that there are 78 images and the rest are backgrounds. And the point of this is that you can take any of these images, copy them on top of a background, any background that you choose, and you can add Canva elements as well. You can make thousands of different designs with these images and backgrounds and utilizing Canva's elements. So let's get into this. So I want to be in grid view, and you know that you're in grid view when you go down here to the bottom on the left. There are these 4 squares. That's how you get into your grid view, okay? Otherwise, you'll be just seeing the images individually. So if I double click, this is how you would normally see the images. But I want to be in grid view, so I'm going to click on these 4 squares at the bottom. And I'm going to just choose any random image. Let's choose this one. Number 15. So you want to remember the number of the page of the image, okay? So number 15 is the image page, and look at the colors and everything. And when you're looking at this, you're kind of deciding on what color background you want. Do you want a blue background? Do you want a beige background? You know, just kind of have in mind what you want to put this image number 15 on. So I'm going to scroll down, and now I'm looking at the backgrounds, okay? And so as I'm scrolling down, I think I want to put her on a maybe a blue image with maybe some color, or maybe not. I'm going to choose number 105. Okay. So I'm going to go back up to my image, number 15. I'm going to double click on it. When it opens up, I am going to click on the image, and I'm going to copy the image. And I'm going to go back over to the page that I want, which is 105. And I can type this right in here. I think it was 105. And I'm going to hit tab, and it goes over to 105. Yeah, I think that was the one. All right. But you can see the other images down here. So if you want to change, you can easily do that. So while I'm on 105, I just clicked on this page. I'm now going to right click, and I'm going to choose paste, and it's going to paste my image right on the background. So you can see how this is going. Okay. Now at the very top, I'm going to kind of crop it down some. Get off of here, crop. Okay, so I cropped it down a little, and maybe I want to make her a little taller or the image wider on the screen, so I can do that. Now, you can do so many things. Maybe you don't want so much of the bottom and you want her image larger, so you crop it and you just move it out. So you can do it however you want to. It's a beautiful, beautiful, easy system. And what I really love about this is that it is so unlikely that anyone will have the same design, and you don't want the same design. So that's why I did this like this, so you can easily and quickly make your own images. Now, that is beautiful in itself. But now we can go over to the Elements tab on Canva, and we can type in, I love my gold, and she has on gold jewelry. So I'm going to type in gold glitter specs and see what comes up. Now I want to click on graphics because I only want the graphic designs, and we're going to click on some things to add to this wall art. I love this, love this, love this. Do like that. I think I'm going to duplicate this and bring it down here. And I want to flip it around. So I'm going to choose flip here. And I want to flip it vertically. So I just did that. And now maybe I want this. Pull this up, it's back. Perfect. Now, the other thing I want to do, her image, you could choose to do a lot of things. First of all, let me crop this gold piece down some so I can get to her image. Crop that a little. Okay. Can't seem to get to her. So when you can't get to the images that you want, you click on position. And I think those of you who have been with me for a while, you've learned this. And if you go to the layers tab, you then choose whatever element you want, and it is now highlighted here. So if I want to duplicate her, which I do, I've duplicated her, and maybe I don't want her face to be covered with the gold, okay? But maybe I want her bottom to be covered. So the second image that I duplicated, first of all, let me align them together. Okay, so the second image, I'm just going to crop it from the bottom. And so that way it looks like the gold is on top of her midsection, but it's not covering her face. Okay. So here is your wall art. This is absolutely beautiful, and you can just do this over and over and over. Let's go back to the grid view. Sorry, my computer is a little slow today. All right, so let's choose another one. So here's number 105. This is the one that we just created. Now, let's go back up. Let's choose another one. Let's say that we want to, my eye always goes to blue. I was going to choose 23, but let's do something different. Let's see here. Let's choose her, number 51. Keeping in mind that this is red and some other colors. And if you ever want to see it a little better, you just increase your size, your viewing size. You can zoom in so that you can see it, better. So here she is, number 51. She's got on red and gold. Yeah, I think that's like gold. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, and I think I want to put her on a red background, actually. So we've got number 51 and number 80. So I'm going to go up to my image. I'm going to click on it. And now I am going to right click to copy, and I'm going to go to page 80. I'm going to hit the tab key. Here is my background. Now I want to right click and paste my image. So there is our beautiful sister right there. So again, I think I want to add some elements around her. So I'm still in the Elements tab and I still have the gold glitter specks on here. So let me add some things on here. Let me add this. Okay, I like that. And let me duplicate that. Pull it down and I want to flip it. There we go. Okay, now I want to do the same thing that I did with the other. I don't want her face to be covered, but just maybe her hair and her clothing. So since I can't get to her, I'm going to click on position. I'm going to go to layers. I'm on layers. I'm going to click the image that I want. And so now on the workspace, it's automatically selected for me. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to align her. And maybe I want some of her hair to be with the gold specks over it. So I'm just going to crop down on the image that I duplicated. So we'll do it like that. And then I want some of her clothing. So we'll do like that. So I cropped it from the bottom. Do you see that? So now as I crop it from the bottom, it's showing the original image on the bottom. Okay? So perfect. Click off of it. And now you have another beautiful piece of wall art. I'm telling you, this is absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. It is amazing to me how many different pieces of wall art you can create with this. Now, let me show you how these will look to your customers when you put them in my mock-ups. So this is my gotta have wall art mock-ups, and there are 77 templates in here for you, different sizes and of the frames for you. And I even have in here a template for you to give to your customers. You would edit it, but it's a thank you template. You can edit this as you see fit, but it's just a reminder that you might want to add this into your package when you are selling wall art. And I've also added a frequently asked questions page. You can edit this and add whatever questions, and also a how it works page, because remember, when you're selling digital items, people have a lot of questions. They can't see it, they can't touch it, they can't feel it, they don't know the texture of it, they don't know how vivid and beautiful it is in person. So you want to make sure that you give them as much information as possible. So that is the reason for the mock-ups themselves. Now, we just want to select a mock-up for our images, and both images are vertical. So we're just going to choose, let's see, let's just choose, they're also gorgeous, I love them. Let's choose this one. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to download our images from the workspace that we just created, the art. So let's go and download those images, and then we're going to upload them into our mockups. Okay, I'm going to download our images. We have page 1 that we need to download. I'm sorry, not page 1. I mean the first page. We want to download our current page, page 80. And then we also want to download, I believe it was like page 105 was our other page. 105. Yes. Okay, so now I want to download page 105. All right, so there are specific download instructions that you need to follow to make your images high res for your customers, because there is such a difference between a low resolution file and a high resolution file. I'm telling you, it will make or break your business. So check out my course. It's currently only $5, so you could check that out. And I go into downloading and the difference in high resolution and all of that good stuff. So just check that out. It's too long to go into on this video. My creators, I misstated something. I said that our images were vertical, but they're actually not. They're actually more square than anything, but that's okay. That shows you the versatility. So let me delete that and let me grab this and bring it over, and it shows you what it will look like if you put it in a vertical type frame. And I think it looks gorgeous. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. So this is a mock-up that you would give to your customer, okay? And then let's put it in a square one. Let's see what that would look like. Okay, here's one. So let's take the other one and let's grab it. Oh, I love that. Beautiful. So this is how important mock-ups are. They show your customers what your files will, or what their files will look like. Let's try to put it in here and see how that looks. Beautiful. So this kind of gives you an idea as the creator how you can, rearrange your files when you're uploading them to your print on demand company. Okay. And I have a course on that, because some of these things are just so long to put on YouTube that it takes so much time to really go into details that it's better to be in a course. So all my courses are very affordable, so that hopefully won't be a problem for you. But the courses are very affordable, and I think you will really enjoy them. But in the course about wall art specifically, I go into how to resize your files. I go into how to download your files to get the highest resolution possible. I go into whether you need a JPEG file or a PNG file. So I'll go into a lot of those details that you would need to have a successful not print on demand, but digital product store. So the other thing I want you to keep in mind is that when you sell your files, you've got a lot of options, because you could be selling these files to people who sell actual physical wall art, people who sell canvas wall art. So you're selling your file to them so that they can sell it to their customers in a physical format. Or you could be selling it to people who just love printable wall art and do it for themselves as well. So you have a lot of different options, and with my templates, you have thousands of designs that you could come up with, and none of them would be the same as anyone else's. I absolutely love how this is just so easy to maneuver. You just plug and play with your images and your backgrounds and add some elements from Canva, and you have beautiful wall art ready to be sold. All right, my creators, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I will leave my links in the description. And if you're interested in my wall art plug and play system, by all means, check it out. In the meantime, don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and please comment. I love the comments. As always, remember, the more we create, the less we hate. And I will see you in the next video.